Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host Buckning, and today we're going to give you the end of the week update. But we also received our first dividend in this portfolio. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. If you're not new, welcome back. Glad to have you. So we will just dive right into it. So we will go into the portfolio here. And we will just go through this tracker right here, just to give you the update on the whole thing, the whole portfolio. So for the day, we are up $4.46, up almost a 0.5%. For the week, we are down $25.32 at a negative 2.67%. For the month, we are down $9.16, down 0.98%. For the 3 months, we are up $2.38, up 0.26%. And for the 1 year and all is the same. So if you haven't seen the last video, go check it out, because we talk about buying our new stock pick for the month of November. And we actually have two, and one of those is Manulife. So increase the position in Manulife, not increase, but have a new position in Manulife at 7 shares. Total value of $126.42. We were able to purchase this stock at $17.97. It currently holds about 14% of the portfolio. Today's return is 63 cents. Same with total return, because it is a new position. Today it closed at $18.06, down 10 cents, down 0.5%. For the week, it is down $1.14 and down 5.94%. And this one does pay a dividend. Okay, so nothing's really changed other than that. Bank of Nova Scotia closed at $55.35. It is up 0.25%. We are still up on Bank of Nova Scotia. Today's return at 98 cents, so almost $1, but total return at $5.40. So even though the market got slaughtered this week, we are still up in Bank of Nova Scotia in that position. BMO, we currently have 5 shares in, closing end of the market day, $79.33. We own 5 shares. It is today's return. We had lost $3.45 in value, and our total return is $9.95 total value loss in this past week or so since we've owned the position. Not a big deal, because it will come back for sure. Whenever that'll happen, I'm not sure, but I'm for sure it'll come back. But that is where the portfolio sits currently. So we will go and head over to trackyourdividends.com to increase the position, but we will update you on this one first. So today we are down $5, total value of $7.84, dividend yield of 5.92%. If you rebuild this portfolio today, our portfolio is currently yielding 5.88% with an annual income of $46. Bank of Montreal, our average cost is $81.32, but it closed today at $79.33. So currently we are at a loss of almost $10, which is no big deal. It's just at a $9.95 discount right now. Dividend yield today is a bit higher, obviously, because it is at a lower price. So dividend yield for anyone who buys this stock today was at 5.34%. Sorry, on market day, not on Saturday, because that's when you see the video. Yield on cost in our portfolio, it yields us 5.21%, annual income of $21.20. Bank of Nova Scotia, 7 shares. Our average cost is $54.58. So we are at a profit of $5.40. Dividend yield today is 6.5%. Our yield is 6.6%. Annual income from Bank of Nova Scotia is $25.20. So what we will do is we will add the new position. Ticker symbol for Manulife is MFC, and then it should pre-populate. There we go. .to. We were able to purchase 7 shares at the cost basis of $17.97, and we'll go ahead and add that, and there it is. And so portfolio value now sits at $911 dividend yield at 5.96%. So if you were to build this portfolio today, your yield would be higher than the current yield of the portfolio that we have here, because Bank of Montreal was down, so that means a higher yield because you are buying it at a cheaper price than I did. Annual income now has increased to $54, so we have now hit that $54 $50 milestone for the year, which is great. Next is to go for 100 for the year, and so you can see here today at market close we were up 63 cents on the new position with Manulife Financial Corporation. We were able to buy it at $17.97, closed at $18.06, so not bad. Dividend yield is 6.23%, and this portfolio here is slightly better at the yield at 6.23%. Our annual income is $7.84. Cool thing about this tool, if you haven't explored it, there is actually a dividend payment tracker, and the warning says it right here. Please keep in mind that this tool is still currently in beta, no problem, but it actually keeps track of the dividend and the date it paid it. So I'm pretty excited about that. But that's pretty much it for that. So we can go ahead and head back to the portfolio. So we actually did get a dividend. I guess I didn't even show that earlier, did I? So, but now you know it paid out a dividend. We'll just go to the activities here. And you can use the filter, obviously, and go to dividends and done. And it'll filter out. So today, Bank of Nova Scotia was able, not today, on October 28th, Bank of Nova Scotia paid out their dividend, and we had received $6.30. That went back into the cash portion of the portfolio, and I just used what I could to purchase Manulife Corporation, however much that is, but then the rest just sits in cash. So this is the first dividend payment for this portfolio on the channel. So very exciting. I'm sure in the near future we'll probably have videos just dedicated to dividends coming in and just talk about it, because there's going to be more and more coming in as this portfolio grows, because we still put $100 a week into the portfolio. And so to talk a little bit about this week, the stock market had been slaughtered, like absolutely slaughtered this week. Everything went down except for, I think it was on Thursday. Was it Thursday? I think it was Thursday or Wednesday, when the big tech companies reported their earnings, their quarterly earnings, and that brought the market up. It's by themselves, but it still doesn't write off what is happening currently. Many factors are happening. I know the election's coming up. The other stuff is happening. I don't want to really talk about it, but it's happening. And so this week in the marketplace has been the worst week. A lot of reporters, a lot of news guys and investor analysts, whatever you want to call them, this was the worst week since March. And when you're compared to March, I don't think that is a good thing, especially if you're invested in the stock market. But it's been a crazy ride recently in the stock market, but it is what it is. And just give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing. And it's not on this portfolio itself. This is in my personal private portfolio, and I'm going on the offensive because things are literally on sale. If you probably, a lot of people probably follow, like Apple is on their watch list, Tesla's on their watch list, Amazon's on their watch list, Facebook, Google. These are stocks that I like to go on the offensive with if I can, and everything else too in my main portfolio. And so not this one. This one's just building dividends, and things like that. But we won't talk about that. But if you are investing and times like this do happen, don't be scared. Just ride it out. That is the number one best advice probably I've ever received when it came to starting to invest is ride it out. Don't go on this massive sell-off. It is scary, but it is just what the market does. It's like an uncontrolled bag of testosterone. The stock market is, and you can't predict it and you can't control it. It does what it does based on the things that are happening in the world, in the market, and you just go with it. You just play its game, and you try to win. And so and just so everyone knows, this is just my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. If you want advice, go seek a professional. But honestly, I'm going on the offensive. For me, everything's literally on sale. It's like Boxing Week all week in the marketplace, which is great. And it really helps a lot of investors like pay attention to positions that they wanted to get into with certain companies in times like these. So other than that, guys, I'm super pumped about the dividend that came in, to show you guys that it is possible for any new investors out there. And in the future, like I said, the dividends will probably have a separate video as they continue to grow, as we get more and more positions in this portfolio, and we just show you how easy it is to build a portfolio from $100 a week. And if you don't have $100, start with 50. If you don't have 50, start with 25. But we start with 100 because it's a nice even number. But if you did enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe. It really helps out the channel grow. And I just want to give a big thanks to everyone who is currently subscribed, because we are about to hit 100 subscribers. I think we're about 7 away. And that's totally awesome. Definitely did not expect that to happen, and it's a great thing. And so I just want to say thank you. Absolutely grateful for everyone who is supporting the channel by leaving a like, by subscribing, and helping the channel grow, because it's exciting stuff. I didn't realize that this would be this big, honestly. And 93 maybe isn't big to some people, but it's big to me. And about to hit 100 is super exciting. So yeah, just wanted to say, give a big thank you to everyone. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great weekend. I know I will. I get a haircut tomorrow, so next video you'll probably see me with a bit trim going on, too much hair. So other than that, guys, have a great weekend, and hopefully you did enjoy the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.